You are invited to rise and remain standing for the Southern Virginia University leadership, faculty, and for the class of 2025. This is our single largest graduating class in history.
We are going to walk across this stage today, symbolizing all the support, love, and work that has gone into every moment that has led up to this degree.
You're not here now by accident. You're here because you're supposed to be here now. Congratulations to you on what you've accomplished. And now, go forward and change the world.
I hereby confer upon each of you the Bachelor's of Art degree. Faculty and graduates, congratulations. Continue to center your life on Christ. Make Him your foundation, your guide, your closest companion. You will find clarity in confusion, strength in struggles, and joy in the journey. You are taught by the Lord on this mountain. Now go and live His message with courage, compassion, and conviction. We're proud of you, we love you, and we will be cheering you on always.